what is up everyone? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about what's happening with XRP and the XRP community. Now, XRP is still stagnant, but we'll have to watch out for the weekly chart right here. Hopefully closes above the support line. But let's get on to the news. So Cryptomaniac tweeted out, the banks have an unlimited supply of cash to buy a limited supply of XRP. Let that sink in. And that's very interesting to think about since he brought it up. Unlimited supply of cash to buy a limited supply of XRP. Very interesting. Next tweet we have is from John Wick 589. They're all coming out of the woodworks now. Hostile tweeted out, now this is interesting. Bank Ripple 46% cheaper. Average bank cost savings per payment 46% cheaper. If we look down here, settlement time. Every one of these banks, even PayPal, has days of settlement time. Days. Now, Ripple has seconds. You know what's even more better? Seconds, plus it's way cheaper. So now it's your guys' choice. Would you guys rather have days and lots of fees, or a lot cheaper and within seconds of settlement time? So very interesting. Next tweet we have is from Paul W. He tweeted out, the repo is all about liquidity. It can't keep working this way. The market crash is very near. XRP will be used to solve liquidity. Ripple has built out the system with central banks and huge corporations getting ready to deliver at the perfect moment. XRP will rise. Very true. As we can see here, that XRP will solve liquidity. Very big, very big. And then we'll get on what the stakes are in a minute. But Happy XRP tweeted out, liquidity management for banks. All CBDC stablecoins, gold, asset classes will run on Ripple's XRPL, with XRP providing ODL, instant liquidity and settlement, via ILP into one world bigger ecosystem with Quanta financial system. There we go, guys. The demand for liquidity is increasing. It's increasing. Kevin Case tweeted this out. What's at stake? Now this is interesting as well. We can see here cross-border payments are at 27 trillion and growing. Today's day is still growing right here. So this is all at stake. XRP is supposed to help everything out with liquidity and the cross-border payments. So everything's really going into plan. And XRP's, you know what's interesting? Very interesting. XRP, out of every other coin, is tackling the cross-border payments industry instead of all these other coins. Every coin obviously has a different use case, but XRP to me seems like the best out of every other coin towards what their goal is and everything as of that. CryptoPenny tweeted out, 1/3 the 2017 XRP bull run was fueled by FOMO, investing based on Coinbase rumor and some other speculations. There was zero utility. Since then, market crashed. Investors got scorched, and for 2 years now, word has spread in and out of the market of how awful crypto is. Retail investors and new ones don't want to get fooled again. Consequently, the potential FOMO crowd isn't sitting on the sidelines, cash in hand, chomping at the bit to get in. For the most part, they're over it. Many still pissed off and disillusioned. In my opinion, the only thing that will move this sloth is utility. Once we get it, a stable rise begins. Until then, small farts movement up and down is our lot. Many of you, e.g. traders, are happy with that. I get it. Me? Nope. Nothing less than dollar moves until I get what I came for. So, he's talking about once utility hits in, then we're going to see a stable rise and moon. Until then, we should see, up and downs, as we can see, up and downs. Next who we have here is the bear bubble. We are waiting for US regulations and it was supposed to be done today. Minor delay, but things are still going well. Speculation. She was supposed to reveal XRP today, but these regulators have extreme levels of incompetence and lack of knowledge. Things will be developing quickly from here. Garth spoke today and she talked about a lot of stuff, but this is the clip we're gonna watch for today's video.
I was hoping yesterday morning that the taxonomy was a done deal. And unfortunately, the Coreper, as I understand, has not found an agreement yet on taxonomy, which would be extremely helpful for us. That's a call to them to find an agreement. I was hoping.
So we could see here that the Bearable Bolt said she was supposed to reveal XRP today, but there's some delays happening, I'm guessing. So that's pretty interesting, but she did speak about a lot of other stuff in her other talks. Bank XRP tweeted out Federal Register, remittance transfers under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act. That's a reply to Yakusei. So we could see here, such entities to tap into the closed network payment systems that non-bank remittance transfer providers have developed. The continued growth and expanding partnership of virtual currency companies such as Ripple, which offer both a payments messaging platform to support cross-border money transfers as well as proprietary virtual currency XRP, which can be used to effect settlement of those transfers. Very interesting here, folks. They stated Ripple and XRP in the same document. Very interesting. Now, guys, we're getting into the fun part of XRP and the XRP community. This is obviously not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor, but this is quite interesting. Chicken Hawk Crypto tweeted out, 1212 symbolizes your spiritual growth and awakening, manifestation of your dreams and awareness of your infinite being. XRP will rise like the base dawn 1212, and from my research, it points to December 12th. Let us remember what happened in history on December 12th. Washington, D.C. established as the capital of the United States of America. Mexico officially recognized as an independent nation by the U.S. First Canadian coins circulated. This week, the new USAMCA was drafted. XRP will rise. Publication 1212, a form published by the IRS explaining tax matters related to original issues discount bonds. The publication contains information relevant to both bondholders and to the brokers and dealers. So this was just, he was just talking about 1212 because a lot of people in the XRP community was talking about what's the 1212 and the 12 of 12, meaning the full moon that supposedly happened. So that's very interesting. Now, Baba Yaga tweeted out a lot of stuff. I won't go into this. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can. But Brexit is done. Get ready for things to happen quickly. Always remember, nothing then suddenly. Ross. Everything predicted coming true by Marvin in January 2019. Nothing then suddenly. Remember, guys, if Ross is right, then that means nothing. Then rocket ships, fireworks and every types of things should happen suddenly. Mr. Poole tweeted out this one photo right here. We could see here, this is a very interesting photo right here. So Jana Dalton made this link right here. It talks about like the Illuminati and like the cars and stuff and about the society. So we could see here Hop replied, Smoking Gun gives 10 Phoenix in Gematria. Illuminati card game gives XRP the standard 27 December 13th. I also like the comments provided earlier. The stairs could mean financial downturn. Any other ideas? So if you guys would like to check out this is very interesting read. I read a little bit about it, but it was talking about the cards, about the Illuminati card games and stuff like that. But that was interesting. If you guys would like to see it, go ahead. I'll leave all these links in the description below. But today was kind of like interesting. We've seen a lot of news that came out, from Christine Lagarde and all of these other people. And very interesting. But as we can still see, XRP is still stagnant. We'll have to see what happens in the future. Suddenly, nothing. Then suddenly, boom. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. And yeah, guys, see ya.